Hey, what's up everybody? Let's get into some new art supplies today. This is a Prismacolor colored pencil unboxing and color swatch. I'm pretty pleased that Amazon didn't send this in a box within a box type situation, because they be doing that. And I'm happy to say that there was no damage. Looking pretty good. Full disclaimer, if you watch my videos, it will enable you to spend all of your money on art supplies.
Oopsie.
I always find some new art supply to have some fixation or obsession with, and right now it's colored pencils. I mean, come on, look at these. They look like candy. So this is working in from the pale yellows all the way through neon and into red. We've got some pinks and some what looks like skin tones. Here are the purple lilacs. Those blues, they're like the deeper blues in this set. Here we go with the yellow blues going into the green. And here are greens into like forest greens, starting to go into the neutral. Someone might think why it's important to have all these grays, but it can help you adjust hue, so it's really great. Here I go into swatching. I'm a little intimidated about swatching 150 colors, but I'm committed. I bought a colored pencil holder. It's on the way. I noticed that I might have a small dilemma. The way that this packaging works, if you aren't careful, you can get the colors out of order, and then so your swatching really becomes irrelevant. For me, when I sit down with a piece, I like to know what color I am grabbing. I don't want to guess. I don't want to take the time to have to swatch on the paper I'm working on. I think I'll probably dive in a little deeper here and actually number the swatch as well. See, look at me, I'm like counting them so I know which one I'm at. If they were numbered, that'd be a lot easier. I'll probably have to number the barrel, which will be pretty easy. I'll use like a little piece of paper or like a post-it. So yeah, the pencils do have like a number designation, but they read like PMB 112. I mean, really, I just want them to say 1 through 150. I'm noticing that these colored pencils are pretty smooth. The color is soft, but not so soft that it easily breaks on the paper. I'm able to press down pretty hard and not concerned about the color snapping off. So I read that these are student grade. However, if you ask me, okay, so I'm not a pro with colored pencils. I don't do pieces to sell, so I'm not looking for that kind of quality, but honestly, I would think that these are pretty close to the professional grade. I really don't have any complaints. The color's vibrant, it goes down smooth, you're able to press hard. I don't do any blending here, but I have worked with these to blend colors and it works really well. I don't have any problem. It doesn't get all streaky and weird. Like, you know, when you can get really cheap pencils from, let's say, like a dollar store. Sorry, Crayola. I'm even going to say if you get Crayola, these definitely have more substance than cheaper, what I would call student grade. I definitely say these are worth the money and you should try them out. Okay, friends, so I'm speeding this color swatch up. Let me know in the comments if you'd rather see this in real time. Also, drop in the comments what colors you're like gravitating towards. So here we are getting through the reds into what looks like magenta, neon pink, more of the pale pinks, kind of like pretty pinks, ballet pink. I'm totally making these colors up. Starting to get into some skin tone. Disclaimer, I'm not using a line-in microphone, and so the audio is a little hairy, but thanks for hanging in there with me. It feels like we're getting into purples, but oh, nope, here we go. We changed the angle on you. Okay guys, so I'm gonna like not talk for a little while and just let this swatch play out for a little bit. Okay, so we're ending this swatch. How satisfying. Look at the pretty metallic there, just shimmering. Just so you know, this was not a sponsored video, but you guys can help me. Like, for those of you who are legit still here, if you subscribe, like this video, and share it, I might be able to get to a point where I can be sponsored. Thanks for being here. Now go do some art.